Good morning, students. So today we will discuss about the bowling. Okay. So if you see this, the bowler reaches his delivery stride by the means of a runner-up. So before bowling, what the bowler does, he takes a runners-up. Okay. So suppose some bowlers are fast bowler, so their runners-up are very long, and those who are spinners, their run up is very short. Okay, although some bowlers with very short delivery takes no more than a couple of steps before bowling, that is your we can say spinners. Okay, but a fast bowler needs momentum, and this takes quite a long run up and running very fast as he does so. So we can see in every match. Okay, for the fast bowler they take a long run up because they need momentum to throw the ball very fast. Okay, so the fastest bowler can deliver the ball at a speed of over, we can say 140 km per hour. You can see our Indian bowler Bhuvaneshwar, he also bowls Shami. Okay, and they sometimes rely on her sheer speed to try and defeat the batsman. So the bowler tried they use their speed to just defeat the batsman, who is forced to react very quickly. Okay, so other fast bowlers rely on mixtures of speed and gill. Okay, that means they either off spin or do your leg side offside spin. Okay, and some fast bowlers make use quickly, and other fast bowler okay, so some fast bowler makes use of seam of the ball so that it curves. Okay, that means it swings. Okay, so they rotate the ball with their hand. Okay, with their fingers, or the swings. Okay, so either it will move towards the left or towards the right. So this type of delivery can deceive a batsman into miss timing, and maybe either he may be stumped or maybe LBW. Okay, or caught behind. So at the other end of the bowling scale is the spinner. Okay, we know there are fast bowler and a spinner, so who bowls at a relatively slow pace, we know it, and relies entirely on gill to deceive the batsman. That means they just turn the ball. A spinner will often buy his wicket by tossing one up a parabolic path. Okay, to make a poor shot. So this may caught by the any deep fielder. Okay, so the batsman has to very wary of such deliveries, as they often flighted, or the ball will be in the air. Okay, and spun so that the ball will not behave quite as he expected. Okay, and trapped into getting himself out. Okay, that means the spinner, what does it do? They throw the ball in such a way that the batsman is trapped to play the shot wrongly. Okay, so either they will be caught behind, or they will shoot in the air and they will caught. Okay, or sometimes they will miss the stump. Fine. So in between the paceman and the spinner, paceman the fast bowlers, and the spinners and the medium pacers who rely on the persistence accuracy to try and contain the rate of scoring. Okay, and wear down the batsman concentration. So all bowlers are classified according to the speed at which they bowl. If the fast bowler, they are your, we can say, the fast bowler, and then we can classify them as fast bowler, medium bowler, off spin, leg spin, and like this. Okay, but officially there are only two types of bowling, that is your right arm bowling and left arm bowling. The bowler who throws the ball with the right arm are known as your right arm bowler, and one who throws the ball with left arm are known as left arm bowler. And the bowler has to inform it to the umpire and batsman. Okay, before bowling they have to inform the batsman and umpire that they are bowling with the right hand, or they are medium pacer, they are fast bowler, or they are spinner. Okay, and during the bowling action, the elbow may be held at an angle and may bend further, but may not straighten. Okay, their elbow must not straight, they must bend. Okay, and if the elbow straightens illegally, then the square leg umpire may call no ball, and they may get free. Okay, the current laws allow a bowler to straighten his arm 15 degree or less. Fine. So up to bowling, you try to just read it out again and find the key points. Okay, because up to the bowling part B of physical education, your examination will be held for the first term. Okay, so just read once again from the beginning up to the bowling. Okay, up to this your first unit will be covered, a first unit test will be covered up. Okay, so in the next video we will continue from the fielding one. Okay, thank you.